Coach, can you share with us your preparation for tomorrow match?
내일 경기에 대해서입니다.
네, 내일 경기 우리한테는 상당히 중요한 경기고 일단 뭐 우리도 마찬가지고 바레인도 마찬가지고 좋은 승리 내야 되는 경기. 그래서 우리도 뭐 지금 잘 준비했고 내일 멋진 경기 보여줄 수 있게끔 최선을 다하도록 하겠습니다.
This is a very important match for us, probably both Indonesia and Bahrain as well. So tomorrow's match for both teams, the result is very important. We have been preparing for tomorrow's match so far very nicely. So I hope we can show good performance tomorrow.
Captain, what's the importance for tomorrow match?
Sorry?
What's the importance of tomorrow match?
The important?
Yeah.
Well, I think we have to play compact as a team, and yes, I think we have to play aggressive, but because they have some qualities in front, so I think we have to play compact and aggressive.
Thank you. Any questions? Yes, please. Take the mic first.
Hello, Coach and Calvin Fredong. I'm Ilham from FIFA Gold Indonesia. I want to ask one question to Shin Tae-yong and two questions for Calvin Fredong. First question for Shin Tae-yong. Bahrain really put attention to Indonesia abroad player, where the most of it playing in Europe. Is this an advantage for Indonesia? And the question for Calvin Fredong. First, you played full in 2 of your last 3 matches for the Indonesian national team, and the result is Indonesia never lost. Any comments of that, and is there a desire to maintain that trend? And the second question is, in his interview with FC20, Mes have said that he joined Indonesian national team because of you. What did you say that makes him decided to join Indonesia? Is there any story about it? Thank you.
바레인 팀이 상당히 인도네시아 주목하고 있고 그 와중에 특히나 이제 그 귀화 선수들이 많기 때문에 그래서 그런 부분들이 그런 선수들의 어떤 역할들이 장점으로 작용하고 있다고 보십니다.
네, 우리 지금 뭐 선수들은 다 잘해주고 있고 또 뭐 같이 온 기아 선수들 현재 뭐 다 잘해주고 있기 때문에 내일 좋은 경기 할 것이다. 모든 선수가 잘해주고 있다 보시면 되겠습니다.
So all the players, have been doing well. Not only just the naturalized player. So all of our team members so far, they did best, very nicely. So I think tomorrow we're going to show the good performance.
I think it's not because of me that we don't lose a game. I think Indonesian football is growing, and I think we have a very good team with a lot of quality. So I think that's the reason why we didn't lose the last 2 games. And with Mace, I played with him before in Twente, and yeah, we spoke about to come to play for Indonesia, and yeah, I just asked him why you don't come to play for Indonesia, and he agreed with me, and yeah, he is here now, so I'm happy that he is here.
Any question?
Good afternoon. Patrick Salomon from Gulf Daily News here in Bahrain. First of all, welcome to Bahrain. Question for Coach, sir. You guys, Indonesia was considered as one of the underdogs in this group, with a very strong group with Japan and Australia. Even Bahrain's coach said Bahrain are underdogs, but so are Indonesia, China, and all those things. What is your opinion on that, sir? And considering your good results from the first 2 games, how have you approached this 3rd game against Bahrain tomorrow night? Thank you.
뭐 인도네시아는 우리 조에서 언더독으로 여겨지고 있다가 아주 강한 모습을 보여줬고 또 바레인 감독도 심지어 굉장히 강하다고 이렇게 평가를 했고 지난 2게임 아주 잘하셨고요. 그래서 그 2게임 통해서 또 이번 경기 어떻게 감독님 좀 준비를 잘 해오셨고 또 어떻게 생각하고 계신지.
네, 뭐 일단 바레인도 첫 경기 호주 가서 이기고 오면서 상당히 기가 살았다가 일본한테 치면서 분위기가 다운됐겠지만 우리 또한 사우디 원정과 홈에서 호주라는 강팀을 비기면서 선수들 나름대로 자신감이 많이 붙었고 지금 현재 우리는 계속 좋아지고 있는 팀이기 때문에 앞으로도 좋은 팀으로 성장할 것이고 바레인하고도 내일 좋은 경기 할 수 있다고 저는 우리 선수들이랑 같이 믿고 있습니다.
I think Bahrain also had a good start from the first match against Australia, the winning result. However, they just got beat by Japan with a 5-0. So probably the team atmosphere dropped a little bit, but still, you guys, the Bahrain is a good team, and for us, we had a good 2 matches against Saudi Arabia and Australia. We had a big result and 2 draws, and we raised our confidence, and we kept developing. So I think tomorrow to play against Bahrain, I believe that we will have a good result.
Any question?
Hi, question for the coach. What's the situation for the goalkeeper Martin Baez? Is he ready for tomorrow match?
마틴 골키퍼에 대해서 좀 내일 경기에 마틴이 출전하나요?
네, 100% 출전합니다.
So 100% he's going to play tomorrow. 100% he's going to, the Martin goalkeeper, he is going to play for tomorrow's match.
يقول لك 100% بيلعب بكره.
No, his question was the Martin, the goalkeeper, is he going to play tomorrow? So my answer is 100%. Yeah.
Okay. Any question? Yes, please. Take the mic.
크게 좀 얘기 안 들리네요.
Coach, good evening, coach and the player. Firdong, one question for the coach. We are follow the social media for Indonesia last 10 days or last 2 weeks, and also last two days in Bahrain. We see the training for Indonesia. The video, all the video I see, it's a funny training, like a funny training. So it is this match very important for the players, because when I see the preparation for Indonesia, I feel it's a funny training, not focus on the match. And another question, the last match between Bahrain and Indonesia, it's in this stadium, and the result, it's 10-0 for Bahrain. It's mean anything for the coach for tomorrow match?
예, 뭐 한 2주 전에도 자기가 소셜 미디어에서 봤고 한 이틀 전에도 봤는데 인도네시아 팀 뭐 올라온 거 보면 막 재밌는 훈련들 이런 거만 올라와 있어서 뭐 이게 약간의 뭔가 감독님 의도가 있으신 건지, 아니면, 그리고 이제 그게 첫 번째 질문이고, 두 번째는 정확하게 이 똑같은 경기장에서 10대 0으로 마지막에 이제 졌고 그런 그 지난 히스토리 결과들이 감독님한테 어떤 의미가 있는지 현재 두 가지.
우리 선수들 항상 즐겁게 운동하고 선수들한테 그런 즐거움이 아무래도 에너지나 모든 것을 좀 더 활기차게 하기 때문에 훈련 프로그램이 좋게 흘러가고 있다 보시면 되겠고, 뭐 저도 어제 처음 들었는데 10대 0으로 졌다는 얘기는 그거는 10년 전 과거 얘기고, 내일 경기는 어떻게 될지에 대해서는 아마도 아무도 모를 것이다.
I often emphasize, the player, you guys need to enjoy during the training session. So that's one of the reason their energy grows up. So their attitude and their energy in the training session is that we have always, bright session. And regarding the last result about 10-0 in this same stadium, I just heard that fact that yesterday. And that's the past is the past. So what's done is done. And tomorrow's result, nobody knows, what's going to happen tomorrow. Yeah.
Verdunk, we know the team of Indonesia. It's half playing in the Indonesia and half players playing in Europe. And I think you have only 4 days before this match, or 3 days to training with us as a group. It's this difficult for Indonesia between Bahrain and Indonesia, because Bahrain team maybe take one or 8 days together in the training now.
Yes, but I think before we already meet each other, so the last games we were already with each other. Only 2 new players now with Mace and Eliano. So I think everybody knows each other's qualities, and I think we had a good training week. We did some good stuff, and yeah, tomorrow we see what's gonna happen.